Here we are with Javier Pello Garcia, right following your first round knockout. How did it feel to be back in the ring?
Well, I mean, I had already fought July 1st. I won in the second round. This was a little different. He was a little bit more of an aggressor than the last fight that I had. But I felt good. I felt great. It was only one round, so I don't know how I would have done in a few more rounds. But I was training for an 8-rounder. You know, I was doing 8 rounds, 6 rounds here, and with some sparring partners that I had, real good sparring partners, and they helped me out a lot. And I was ready for 4, 6 round, 8 round almost. So
I hear you're fighting again.
Yeah, I'm fighting in Commerce Casino again. In 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today. 2 weeks from today, I'm fighting again. They're trying to keep me busy. You know, hopefully later I can, you know, get signed or something. You know, sky's the limit here with Robert Garcia and my team.
So no ill effects from 2007.
You know what? I took a long break. You know, I took like almost 3-year break. I think it helped me out really good because now I appreciate the sport more. I train harder. I went through my ups and downs like everybody else, and I'm just happy. I'm happy. Before, you know, when I stopped fighting, I wasn't happy fighting anymore. That's why I stopped. You know, took my time off, helped Robert out. Now I feel great. You know, I got motivated by Brandon Rios, you know, world champion, and my uncle Miguel Garcia, Mikey Garcia. You know, he's the top featherweight right now. So I mean, that motivated me too. So you know, I just want to do it myself too. It runs in the family. So I mean, I'm not gonna let my talent go to waste.
Congratulations, you look fantastic.
Thank you.
We'll see you next.